Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to teach you on how to use this in Mobile Legends Bang Bang game. You can also use this to any similar type of game, and you have to install a third-party app, of course, for you to be able to use this completely. And this one is my H17 or H18. I reviewed this I think 2 to 3 years ago or more than that, but this is the not updated version, but you can still use this with the updated app of this one, MOBA gaming app. You can just download it in the Play Store, or you can download it in the direct link that I'm going to put down below or here. And as you can see, comparing both, there's not much. This one has a back button and this one doesn't. It has an extra button here at the top, and these are not clicky compared to this. This is so clicky, it's like a mouse click. This one is not clicky at all. It's just a normal. This one is clicky at the top, but this bumper and trigger button is not clicky at all. So that's basically it. I've already unboxed the item. You can just watch the unboxing down below, or I'm just going to put a card over there. But yeah, moving on, that's a one-handed controller compared to a full controller like this one. This is a one-handed, like in here, just your left hand. But before that, just a disclaimer for this video, we are going to use a third-party app. So if you're going to ask me if it's bannable, it's 100%. You'll get banned when using third-party apps. With this one, if this doesn't have any third-party apps and it's just plug and play, we don't have any problems. But we're using a third-party app, but we're not editing or doing something in the game. It's just overlay. I'm not banned as of yet, but I cannot guarantee for everyone that's going to do this trick. So let's just proceed with the video, and again, do this at your own risk. Alright, so I've done setting it up. I just connected this one via Bluetooth. This doesn't have any wired connection, so everything is wireless. I'm not going to attach it on my tablet because I don't want to, but this is mainly used for phones, not for tablet. But I don't have any extra phone for me to use. That's why for this video, I'm going to show it to you with my very big tablet. But yeah, you can also use this on your tablet, but it's your preference if you'd like to. Okay, here we have the Bluetooth right there, Mbo03, I think A for Android _53. And then you're going to open the MOBA gaming app right there. And after opening it and connecting it, it will automatically detect the handle that we're using or the controller that we are using. If you're using H17, of course, it will automatically detect what controller are you using. Now over here, you can see an activate button. If I'm going to press on that, it will show you this type here. I could either do wire activate or wireless activation. Wireless activation is easier. However, I prefer to use a wire activation because it lasts long. But I think it's different from devices to devices. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to do a wire activation. I'm just gonna take the included dongle right here. I've already done this before, but now it's asking me to do it again. I don't know why. Maybe I restarted my device before. But yeah, here it is. Just plug this main Type-C there and plug the other Type-C on your device. After plugging that, you'll have to have a power bank to do it. Right there, and you should allow. And there it goes. There's like 5 times, I don't know how many times, but you can just plug out everything from there. We're good now to go. I think I've already released a video on how to activate this thing, a separate video, so I'm not going to cover everything from here. So that's done and completed, activated. As you can see, now we're going to open Mobile Legends Bang Bang here, but you can add the game here at the very top and then just browse any games that you'd like, and then let's play Mobile Legends. Now it's already set up here. I just open the game and I choose Gushan because Gushan has what we call a combination of skills depending on what enemy are you going to face in on your lane. So basically this is a jungle, so it's going somewhere in the top, mid, bottom. So yeah, let's just do it. So as you can see, the app is not popping up in here and I'm not doing anything at all. It should be. The trick here is to open the app, turn your tablet upside down, and then open the game, and that should show up. I've already mapped some buttons, as you might notice, but I'm going to teach you something that is very, very interesting. So I'm just going to lower down the brightness, not that lower, but that a little bit, and then let me just adjust the video for you guys. Alright, now I hope you can see the main character right there, Gushan. And now what we're going to do is to go here at the top and then select. So this is the configuration. I'm sorry, that's wrong. Change right there. So I have L1 here. L1 is this. I think this is the L1. Yep. This is the L1, this is the L2, L3, and then L4, I think. Okay, I can confirm that's L4. The L3 is here, G1, G2, and that's all the button that is available on this thing. So let's map it. The very nice thing about this one is the recording part. So press the button, for example, the L1. Okay, I'm just going to delete that. To delete that, you just have to drag and then put L1 here. The first skill. I don't know how to play Gushan, but they said that the combination is 1-2-1-2. That's the typical type of combination. So we're going to try this one here. So L1 right there, and then tap on L1, and then you can see this record macro. That's what we're aiming right now. Press trigger macro. Okay, and then let's add. That's L1. Okay, let's delete that. Create. That's the termination key. So as you can see, alright, so as you can see, we have created that. You can see exit, re-record, save. Tap the screen to start recording. So you're going to tap the screen, not this thing. So I'm going to do 1-2-1-2. So 1-2-1-2, and then stop the recording from there. Okay, I'm not going to press anything except at the very top here it says preview. So that's how it goes. Now we're going to save that. Okay, and save. Okay, now let's hit L1 because we mapped L1. Okay, you can do that fast, but I can't do it in a tablet. If you have a fast hands, you can just do that. So let's try again. So for example, I'm just walking and then bam, 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 bam. This H17 or H18, it doesn't have that feature, only this. So that's why it's much expensive. Not a lot, but it's quite expensive. Now, the settings that I use for this one always go with the control settings. Lowest HP percent, I tap on that. You can do a hero lock mode if you'd like to. These are the settings that I'm using. Just a tip for you guys. So for example, we're going to do L2 now. We're just going to map the L2. This is the trigger button here. So I'm going to try and change and then add L2. I'm going to put it on the same button. You can overlay buttons, alright? You don't have a problem. It's not going to be an issue if you're going to use this. So you can overlay button. So L2 here. Okay, so let's try L2 and then save it. And let's change the L2 button here. Record macro. And what you're going to do is create right there. It doesn't work if you're planning to aim an enemy. So for example, you're planning there. Okay, 1 2 1 2, and that's done. It's not gonna work if you're going to aim something. So let's try and save that here. Save, and that's it. So if I press L2, look at that, I'm aiming. It records that I'm aiming for something, but I'm in this position. I'm not in the position where I am before, like that. I'm in this position. So as you can see, as you'll notice, I'm trying to aim there. Now it's recorded that I'm trying to aim there. I think the best option here is for you to just use tap. You just tap the button like what I did in the first part. That will automatically, the game will automatically adjust the lowest HP or the hero that you would like to lock. Like for example, that Zilong right there, you just press this. Even if I'm here, it will just automatically lock on the enemy that I am. So that's just the feature that I like for this one, and I'm not going to go through on how to map it in the game. It's up to you how you would like to map it, and if you're playing assassin or an assassin jungler type, and there's a lot of combinations that you can do like cushion, this is a good or interesting feature that you can use if you buy this thing. And this is pocketable, by the way. It's very small. I have small hands, and look, you can just put it in your pocket if you'd like to. That's how it works. And let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll try to answer any, or I'll create a short video for me to answer a specific questions. Thank you.